pineapple chow. Peel the pineapple, and we'll slice and season. We tried using pineapple peelers, but we haven't been very successful because those pineapples need to be a certain size. Next, remove that piece in there. Next I'll add bandania and a head of garlic to a mini food processor, along with a very hot habanero. You can use wiri wiri, Scotch bonnet, or jalapeno. And that's it. Perfect. Next, just slice it. Cut close to the center, the seed. It's not a seed, but the core, that's the word. And you'll place it in a bowl. You cut it as big or as small as you like. And then we'll season it. And it's very, very sweet. Delicious. Yummy. So good. Pour the seasoning in. Bandania, garlic, hot pepper. You can add more hot pepper if you wish. Salt, we're adding starting with 1 teaspoon. Some people add black pepper, some people add lemon juice or lime juice. Mix. Marinating is optional. And enjoy. How good does that look? Okay, let me taste it. It's a big piece. Delicious and nutritious. This is irresistible. I can't stop.